Welcome on my YouTube channel Crypto Jems. Today I will tell you about a new floor token that will be a real rail. And today I will tell you can change the token by and its cryptocurrency. Before starting the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the button Alaikum. Website link in description. Let's start video. The name of this token is DogeKongZilla. Price 1.38%. $0.02895125755. Market cap $280,063.5195. Launch date October 30, 2021. DogeKongZilla, where true friendship Doge, Kong and Godzilla leads all the ways to the moon. If you want to have joined in website, then join Twitter and Telegram. I click on their website button. Next, DogeKongZilla token. HODL $DogeKongZilla. Earn $BNB $cake $Doge or any tokens you want. Friendship will take us to Daman. Next. Why DogeKongZilla? Highest rewards meme token. 8% of all buy transactions and 12% of all sell transactions are taken and redistributed to all $DogeKongZilla holders. Flexible rewards. Earn any reward you want like cake, bust, or bake just by holding $DogeKongZilla. You can choose reward type in our dashboard, coming soon. The default reward is in BNB. Automatic liquidity. 4% of every transaction contributes towards automatically generating further liquidity on PancakeSwap. It helps create a price stability and benefiting long-term for DogeKongZilla holders the most. Automatic reward. Hold at least $10 DogeKongZilla to receive reward every hour without doing anything. Chill with your friends and earn reward. Next, call your fan. $DogeKongZilla will be the top meme coin with real utilities. Invest with your friend, have fun on Next, Wall of Love. Me of our community members at Crypto Talk Thomas just made this precious video, even we don't have a website. Next, Friendnomics. DogeKongZilla is the best fair stealth launch on the Binance Smart Chain. Next, Tokenomics. Burn 50%. Liquidity 45%. Development 5%. Airdrop 1%. Tax/slippage buy 12%. 8% on rewards. 2% on liquidity. 2% on marketing sell. 18%. 10% on rewards. 4% on liquidity. 4% on marketing. Next will be listed on 1,655 plus holders. 50% burn percent. 7,700 plus transactions. 1M ATH market cap. Next, roadmap. 5 stages of our friendship development. We're not holders, we're friends. Next, number 1. 1,000 holders, stranger. Website, user dashboard launch. Listing on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Start marketing and shilling service. Next, number 2. 5,000 holders, acquaintance. Marketing push, contract audit, meme contest. Have fun with your fan. Next, number 3. 25,000 holders, casual friend. CEX listing. More contests to play with your fan. More marketing push, press release, more influencers. Next, number 4. 100,000 plus, close friend, NFT marketplace. NFT game to play with your fan and earn more money. $100 million market cap. Non-stop marketing. Next, number 5. 1 million plus holders, intimate friend. Contact Elon Musk, Blue Origin to book your tickets to Daman. Prepare the next roadmap on Daman. Befriend forever. I click P-Tune buy now on PancakeSwap. Next, 500. BNB convert into bust. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. My next videos coming.